Hello everyone, this is Big Money Chasing Big Money by Copy Trading on Bitget. This is episode 5 of the Passive Income series. I'm recording this on April 29 as I will be traveling on the 1st of May, so data is a bit premature. Nonetheless, I can still summarize this month with a pretty good accuracy. Let's see what happened and what I expect from the month of May. In my previous video, I mentioned that I was expecting sideways movement, which would be ideal for traders to turn profits, and fortunately, that is what happened. In the beginning of the month, there was some bullish upside movement in the price of BTC, and it reached a major resistance level, which is around 31k. By doing so, it also reached over both levels on the weekly RSI indicator chart. So it would have been quite surprising to push through that level. More likely was a healthy pullback, and so we revisited 27k twice actually. So now we can say that 27 has become a support line and a channel has been established in this range. These types of moves are good for traders. It's not very difficult to navigate. So let's see how they actually managed their positions. Now, last month I unfollowed Da Vinci and it turns out it was the right choice to do, as he made further losses afterwards, so I successfully dodged the bullet there. Also, as I see, he seems to have stopped trading altogether. I'm sorry to see this happening, but it's not uncommon to see traders lose their edge and their perspective on the market, so it's best to disconnect from these accounts before they cause further damage. One Monkey continues to impress, closing up April in a comfortable profit. Locking Boy, who I started copying on the 1st of the month, also produced nice figures. However, one of you guys called my attention to the fact that he has some massively red positions open, which I did not realize when I started copying him. When checking the open trades, it was completely empty for me. After clearing my browser cache, however, it was showing up properly. Anyway, point is that with this trader, I will need to watch the positions or calculate a stop loss percentage, as I really don't want anything like this to happen to my account. So thank you, Sebastian, for the heads up. Actually, these two traders managed to bring my account back basically to break-even levels after January's bloodbath. So I think that after the 1st of May, my account will actually turn green. I have been watching this trader Kendrick, as he seems to do things quite alright, so I will start to copy him now with a cautious 5x leverage. Also, I have Amiro on my radar. If he keeps on delivering results in the next 2 months, I will start to include him in the copies as well as of the 1st of July. My expectations for the month of May is that we would be testing ranges between 25 and 31k. Actually, I see a lot of indecisiveness in the markets right now. One significant news drop can cause massive moves in the prices, and usually this is a sign of changes to come. Also, I'm not very comfortable with the volume that is being traded. Ever since the US banks have been cut off from the crypto markets, volumes are noticeably thinner, which means that the resistances and supports are easier to break. In the first week of May, we will have some new macro data coming out, like inflation, and also we will have a Fed interest rate decision too, so markets will be jumpy. I hope the traders will manage to ride those waves properly. Alright, this is all I have for the summary of April. I hope you enjoyed the content. For the time being, this is the only platform that I share analysis on. I don't maintain a Telegram or a Discord group. However, I do have a Twitter account. The handle is @RealBigMoney, but YouTube will always remain in the focus. If you guys have any questions or recommendations, feel free to drop a comment. I really appreciate all the input. I also see a nice community forming here, which is absolutely amazing. I will be coming up with more videos soon. Until then, trade safe, big money out.